God damn it! I've had it with Antonin SVGCP. He always makes grounded videos out of me and Finbar. Can't handle his opinion to be bashed, and will not respect mine on his favorite characters. What can I ever do to stop this? Shit! I cannot electrocute him. It only made things worse after Diesel found out about it. Here is a flashback for you guys in case you haven't seen it. Then I got my comeuppance from him that day. I wish he would stop doing this over a grounded series. What the fuck can I do to stop this mess? I know. I will set Antonin's alarm to 3 o'clock in the morning and set the ringtone to the big red car by the Wiggles. Here I am at Antonin's house. Now for my plan. I'm going to sneak in there and set his alarm to 3 o'clock in the morning and the ringtone to big red car by the Wiggles, since he's asleep and he watches baby shows all goddamn day. But first, I'd better turn myself into a ghost so no one can see me. Okay, I'm a ghost. Now let's begin this. Yes! I did it. Now I can get out of here.
Oh my shitty god. What the hell is this? Big red car by the Wiggles, and it ain't but 3 o'clock in the morning and it's already time to get up. Who sets an alarm to 3 o'clock and the ringtone to this shit these days? Finbar?